Hey everybody, it's the Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com here in San Diego, California for all things Vespa, whether you got a vintage Vespa or a modern Vespa like this Racing 60 and you're looking to accessorize it, check us out on the web, ScooterWest.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install and fit the original Piaggio rear crash bars for the Vespa Primavera and Sprint. Also fits the Electrica, so anything with this small frame Vespa, pretty much 2015 to the current year model, 2021. They come in two different flavors. You got this matte black or kind of a satin black. Scooter West part number is PR12PA for the chrome version, and for the black version, PR12PA-BK for the black version. Pretty similar in price, just depends on what look you're going for. If you're going for the sporty look, obviously the black goes great with this Racing 60, already has a lot of black accents. Maybe a classic look, you can go with a chrome version. So what's included with the PR12PA and PR12PA-BK, the black version that we're going to install on this white and red Racing 60. You got the crash bars, the left and the right, individually bagged in the bubble wrap. Keep in mind there is no written instructions with these crash bars. They're very simple to install, but obviously if you've never installed them before, my video hopefully will help you with some tips on how to successfully install these. And I've seen plenty of people unsuccessfully install these and actually damage the bodywork of the scooter. So the crash bars, they pretty much fit together in the rear. They have a nice little seam in the back and they mount at 4 points on the scooter. Then you're also going to find a small bag full of some hardware. And wow, this one actually has a very simplified instruction. Usually you don't even see that. I wouldn't even call that instruction. And you get pretty much 5 pieces of hardware here. Only tools you're going to need is a T30 Torex driver, a 4mm Allen wrench, and a very small 2.5mm Allen wrench that tighten the single screw in the back. And one thing I would suggest before you start installing it is make sure you could fit this small Allen screw in and thread it all the way in just to kind of give it a test fit, because the worst thing is you're fighting with this little teeny screw when you have everything installed. And it looks like we'll be able to thread this in without any issue. I just did it by hand, but just give that a shot. Sometimes the threads are full of the powder coat or slag from the chrome finishing. So first, open your seat. Keep in mind these rear bars, they work with both the standard grab rail that comes standard on the scooter or the flat rack where you adapt a top case. Works perfectly fine with both those setups. Different aftermarket racks, your mileage may vary. It may fit, may not. It just kind of relies on how this metal is formed at where it goes into the frame at this frontmost mounting point. So go ahead and remove both these Torex fasteners. And sometimes it may be wise to also loosen the rearmost fasteners of your rack or grab rail. Sometimes you'll have difficulty getting all the hardware to line up. So these screws are removed and you're not going to reuse them. And go ahead and loosen these two as well. Makes the job a little easier. And I have plenty of other videos showing how to put a top case on or fit this either a folding rear rack or a flat rack such as this. If it's the Piaggio one, you won't have any problems fitting it. So take your crash bar. This is going to be your left side. You can see how this bracket's got this little undercut right here. It's very important that that clicks underneath there. So go ahead and remove the Torex fastener from the passenger foot peg on both sides. Again, those fasteners will not get reused. So take your left hand crash guard and this pair of hardware that's included with the kit. And now we're ready to install the crash bars. It's very important. A lot of people are unfamiliar with how this is set up. You carefully nest that underneath the original grab rail, and this bracket goes on top right there. And once you get it lined up approximately, go ahead and thread the black Torx fastener right through. And we'll just start everything. With any of these accessories, you don't want to tighten each of the fasteners all the way. You want to get everything started before you go to town tightening the fasteners. So I'm very careful about how I rest everything. Don't want to have it dragging across my bodywork. Go ahead and line up this little peg. It drops into the hole, and drop the fastener right in there. And again, 4mm Allen. Just go ahead and start it. We'll just thread it into a clip that's located underneath the floorboard right there. So everything moves around, no problems there. It's kind of touching the tail light. Once you get the other side, pretty much do a repeat of the other side. And this side's a little trickier because you're gonna wanna also line up the rearmost section of the crash bars. So I have this section, I'm holding it to prevent it from dropping onto the frame, and then go ahead and get that kind of plugged into place. Make sure that goes perfectly straight into the frame. You do not want to damage the threads on the frame. Carefully line this one up. And you can even hand tighten it oftentimes. So I'm able to do that by hand. Then go ahead and hold these closed. And go ahead and tighten this pretty close. Sometimes I make small adjustment. You can bend them to the left or right to get them where they look symmetrical and centered with the tail light. Looks pretty good. Go ahead and tighten down this pair of fasteners here. And don't forget to retorque the rear fasteners on your rack if you've loosened them. So pretty simple to upgrade the looks and protection on your Vespa, Sprint, or Primavera with just 3 basic tools. Hope you found that interesting. Look out for the video on installing the PR11 PA, which is the factory Piaggio crash bars for the front of the scooter. The rear crash bars are the most popular, and oftentimes people just install just the rear crash bars kind of to protect the bodywork, the cowls of the scooter, or upgrade the look of your scooter. But you can add protection to the front equally as well with the front crash bar set. So this is Robot here. Like and subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Vespa Motorsport. Check out our web store, scooterwest.com. Until next time, Robot here.